Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.02444, 24-hour volume, we're down 17%, and market cap, we're down 2.75%. So heading over to our daily chart here, yesterday's video, we were anticipating a rejection from our 20 MA. Again, we did kind of factor in if we were able to close above it, the price itself was only going to reach up to the 50% or have that area as an area of resistance. So because we got rejected down, it is going to be very alerting or warning signs here for Gala if the price itself is going to come down to the 2381. But if we notice where the price is in our Bollinger Bands, it is essentially at the very bottom of our lower band here, which essentially would say that we are considered as oversold. And there is a hint or possible um, area where the price itself may retrace upwards. But if we take a look at the course of action of our candlestick here, it is very bearish, as we can see, with the candlestick body really driving the price itself downwards. And if we are ultimately going to see the expansion of this candlestick continue to come down of the body, then we may actually break through this area of support that we've seen multiple days on November 21st, the 22nd, and November 28th, where these prices actually came into. So it is going to be a retest of this area of support, depending again with our momentums on a daily time frame. We can see the histograms itself is continuing to come down, meaning the momentum of this bull trend itself is going to basically diminish, and we are going to go into a more of a bearish momentum itself once we start seeing those red histograms. So depending on how fast and how big that momentum itself, we may drop down to the 2263, which is our next indicator of our fib chart. But let's head over to the 4-hour time frame. And again, here you guys, we saw the only maximum height that we retraced down to in yesterday's video was at 38% of 25498. Again, this was an area of resistance that we mentioned in yesterday's video. A few of our candlesticks retraced down to this level. We see an ultimate rejection here of our 100 MA. As we can see, the RSI is continuing to come down, and also we see on a 4-hour time frame, we can see this histogram here opening it up into the momentum of the red histograms, or these red bars, meaning the momentum itself is going to drastically fall. We've seen that as we're coming down to this area of support here. Now, this area of support, again, if the momentum itself was not going to open up into a second wave of our MACD indicator, then we weren't going to see that support hold and retest this area of resistance. So we saw that change from our momentum indicator into the green over to the red indication, and we saw that cross over here. Now, again, the 4-hour time frame is not done, but if we take a look at the 2-hour time frame, the momentum here is already starting off. So in the 4-hour time frame itself, depending on how big these histograms become, we may see the price easily fall down to the 239 again, where the alert is. So let's get over to the 2-hour time frame. So immediate short term of 2 hours. I want again, yesterday's video covered over our death cross for immediate short term. We see the long extension of this candle wick standing right here. Rejection of the 200 MA, fell below our 200 MA, it fell below our 50, and it fell below our 20. So really at this point, where is Gala going to hold on to the area of support? We can see it sliced right through 78% of our fib just a few hours ago with the long extension of this candlestick wick itself. And it is plausible again for the price to retrace even further down. Even though our fib chart here at 78% itself is a golden number where price may see that retracement, may see that nice pullback or an area of support. Doesn't necessarily, it would mean that it will, depending again with the momentum. And we've already seen 1, 2, 3. And if you can imagine these histograms getting bigger, getting stronger, and the momentum itself is getting stronger as well. Now, one of the factors that we do see is the oversold category that we have here with our stock RSI. So we see that our K line is at 0% and our D line is at 7% here. Now, we are considered as oversold. That doesn't immediately mean that the price is going to retrace upwards and have a nice pullback. It ultimately just means that there is opportunities in a lower scale to be able to do shorter trades on here or just in and out very, very quickly. But if we take a look again, we are considered as oversold, but the MACD indicator shows redness in this area. So we may actually see price come up to a resistance, come down to an area of support. So be prepared for Gala to consolidate sideways. We can see again the Bollinger Bands are getting smaller or they're pinching in, meaning lower volatility here. We are going to consolidate until we have that initial breakout, either in an uptrend or a downtrend. But just be very cautious here, you guys, for Gala. I feel like it is kind of in that support warning sign, especially with this long red candle that we have going on today, but we won't know until we do our update for tomorrow. But let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed the video, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel as well. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.